to Leila Land. Thanks for joining. I am so excited today. I am going to be testing and reviewing the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. I've been waiting for a foundation from Makeup Revolution forever, so I'm so excited to use this. So if you want to see how this went and what I thought of it and how it performed, then keep watching. You all know I love using Makeup Revolution products. They are my favourite makeup brand of all time. This year they brought out the epic Conceal and Define concealers, and they have just taken the world quite rightly by storm. There were 18 shades, the formula was epic, the packaging was brilliant, the price was phenomenal. So to go with those, I am so excited that they've brought out a foundation to go with them. Yes! Can we please just talk about how beautiful and chic and lovely that packaging is? I think that. It's a really nice feel to it. I cannot describe how it feels, but yeah, took the wrapper off and was like, oh, feel the packaging. Oh, feel the packaging. I think that. There are 18 shades. All the shades correspond with the Conceal and Define shades as well. So if you know what shade you are in the Conceal and Define, just head to the website and get the corresponding shade in this. These are £5. Can I just flipping well say? £5. 5 Great British pounds. And if these are as good as the Conceal and Define products, I just think I can die a happy woman. I mean, what else is there? Please don't write me letters. I know there's a lot more than foundation, but in my little world, this makes me happy. Okay, thanks. Right, so let's crack on, shall we? So in each product, you get some amount. Right, I can't peel the thing off to see how much is in, so I'll leave it in the description box down there. Just where you should go and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks ever so much. Yeah, shall we just? Right, so let's crack on. I've been so excited about these. Obviously I follow Makeup Revolution and Adam Minto on social media, so whenever they tease products like this, I'm always like, quickly! It's so exciting. Right, let's have a do, shall we? Oh my god, already that is a ridiculously soft. Oh, that is so creamy. Oh, guys. That is so flipping creamy. That is gorgeous. Excellent. Okay, and then I'm going to blend that with my damp beauty blender and see how we get on. Oh my god. Oh my god, this just blends. It just does it. It just does it. It just does it. Oh. Okay, that is blending like an absolute dream. Oh my god, I think I've put far too much on as well. Like I was not expecting it to blend out that far. Oh. Right, so then I'm just going to use a buffing brush just to blend the edges, especially down onto my neck. Because we don't want the stripe, do we, girls? Or boys. Or lamppost. Megan will understand that one. This is crazy! Oh my god. This is like voodoo. Right, this is weird for me. Okay, so first of all, I think I clearly put too much on because it blends out like an absolute dream. But it's so like moisturizing. This is weird for me. Like I actually think I need to set my face. I never set my face because of it being dry, but I feel like I need to. Right, let's try and contour. I do use the Conceal and Define to do my contour. So let's see how it kind of layers up. I am impressed so far, guys. Right, and again, because these just go such a long way, you don't need to use a lot of this at all. Wow. Yeah, it just layers up. It just doesn't It doesn't like got patchy or cake or anything. Right. Let's get rid of the several chins. That is crazy. That is crazy. Oh my god, look how dewy it is. Look how dewy my dry ass, sensitive, never looked dewy and glowy skin is. Look. Oh, look. Oh. Right then. I need to set it. Like, I never need to set it. Okay, so I'm just going to use some of my lace setting powder from Makeup Rev. My black jeans now look epic, by the way. Like, wow. I cannot even begin to tell you how amazing that is for my skin. That's like ridiculous. Right, let me just go and do the rest of my face and then I will come back and talk you through my final thoughts, which I think are fairly obvious, but just give me a minute. All right, gorgeous ones, here I am. I am back fully made up and ready to tell you my thoughts on the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Foundation. Now, I have a bit of an issue with foundations because I've got dry skin, I've got sensitive skin, so I find a lot of foundations tend to just highlight the dry areas. Stick foundations I tend to stay away from because I find they kind of drag on my skin and I just find them difficult to work with, so I prefer a liquid foundation normally. The best liquid foundation I have ever used in my life was one that you've probably never heard of. It was by a company called Virgin V. So Virgin as in Richard Branson. They years ago had a makeup company called Virgin V, VIE I think it was. They had a foundation, it was a liquid foundation that gave the fullest coverage, went on beautifully, was the perfect shade. It was amazing, and as usual, it got discontinued. So that has been kind of the benchmark for me of foundations. So I was so excited when they brought this out because I just know Makeup Revolution never ever let me down. Like ever. Never ever ever. So I was super happy. And because I love the conceal and define so much, I was kind of crossing my fingers that it was going to be a similar formula and quality, and yeah, I am not disappointed at all. And I'm never ever going to be mad at having to go and restock it because it's a fiver. I mean, it's a fiver. You can't complain. So it's amazing quality. There are 18 shades ranging from really fair to really dark, which is just amazing. But it shouldn't be amazing. It just should be the bare minimum. But yeah, anyway, that's for another day. The formula is so creamy and so nice. It goes on so easily. As you saw at the beginning, I kind of put a bit too much on. So, yeah, I mean, a little goes a hell of a long way. So I'm so impressed. It blends out brilliantly and just gives you that kind of healthy glow from within finish. There is no caking on it. You don't look like you've got 3 inches of makeup on, which is ideal. It isn't showing up any texture on my skin. It looks really healthy and fresh, and yeah, I am absolutely delighted with this. So thank you, Makeup Revolution. Keep bringing out the amazing, amazing, innovative, brilliant quality products that aren't going to break anybody's bank, and I will keep buying them. So yeah, I love it. So this one gets a massive thumbs up from me. Speaking of which, go and give this one a big thumbs up for me if you've enjoyed watching me get giddy over Makeup Revolution again. Make sure you subscribed if you haven't already. It would be gorgeous to have you along, and until next time, take care.